Hello again. In this series of 2 videos, you will discover how to make good instructional videos. In part 1, you will learn about why many people watch videos rather than reading, what are instructional videos, and 5 different types of instructional videos. In part 2, you will identify effective guidelines on how to make instructional videos easily. Without further ado, let's begin with this first video about why people prefer to watch videos rather than reading and discover 5 different types of instructional videos. Please click like and subscribe to receive more useful videos related to this topic. What do you do when you need to know how to fix something or to learn something new? Or what if you need to learn how to use a new software or service? You probably look for a video. As we speak, there are now already more than 2 billion YouTube users worldwide, and 87% of users said that YouTube is important for helping them figure out how to do things they haven't done before. At 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube remains the leader in video content, which is, at present, the most popular format for connecting with audiences. Regardless of your industry, video-based learning is the best delivery method if you're serious about teaching others, growing your business, or building an online course. Research shows that when people look for answers to their questions, they prefer to consult a video. Why do you think people consult a video? Here are 5 reasons why people prefer to get answers from videos. 1. Nowadays, many people prefer to watch a video about a product rather than read about it when making a purchasing decision. 2. 8 out of 10 employees complete tasks better when instructions are provided visually, and they absorb information 10% faster. 3. 7 out of 10 millennials are likely to watch a company video when shopping online. 4. Learning and educational content is viewed over 1 billion times a day on YouTube. 5. Online learning is going to tens of million video course sites like Khan Academy, LinkedIn Learning, Udemy, lynda.com, and many more. Now let's look at the following video.
Family duo, best friend duo, me and you-o, Google duo, morning duo, late night duo, encrypted duo, Google duo, doodle duo, poodle duo, noodle duo, Google duo, country duo, techno duo, have no clue. What? Google duo, Android duo, iPhone duo, everyone can Google duo. So many ways to be together, one easy way to connect. Google Duo.
An instructional video is any video that demonstrates a process, transfers knowledge, explains a concept, or shows someone how to do something. Creating instructional videos isn't limited to instructional design professionals, at least not anymore. Anyone in any industry can and should create instructional videos. Let's begin by identifying 5 different types of instructional videos. A tutorial video is usually between 2 to 10 minutes long. This video consists of multiple instructional methods, such as direct instruction, providing steps and guidance to a process, how-to videos, and some with quizzes and interactive elements in them. Simply to say, tutorial videos can teach just about anything. This type of videos are short instructional videos that focus on teaching a single, narrow topic. They appeal to today's media consumers who have short attention spans. Micro videos are short 6 to 15 second video clips often created through a micro-video social media platform such as Vine, Instagram, or Snapchat. It teaches one task and doesn't include any unnecessary explanation. Training videos are designed to improve an employee's workplace skills. Companies often create online training videos to cover interpersonal topics, such as compliance and harassment training, or job-related topics, such as hardware and software training. Training videos often use footage of real people to connect their trainer and trainee. These can be interactive videos and often fit in among a larger training course. This type of video consists primarily of screen recordings designed to teach someone to perform a task or share knowledge. Screencasts tend to be quick, informal, and are usually intended for a smaller audience than tutorial videos. This format lends itself to just-in-time teaching, where an instructor can quickly create a screencast to answer a question or clear up a problematic concept. Often, screencasts are considered disposable videos, meaning they can be made quickly with lower production value for a specific purpose, and their lifespan is short. Screencasts are great for quick, informal instruction. When the audience is small and the stakes are low, a quick screencast is a great way to visually communicate an idea or solve a question/problem. This type of instructional video records a lecture or presentation to make it available for an audience to consume or review after the fact. This might be as simple as recording just the audio for a presentation, or as advanced as recording PowerPoint slides, a webcam, and a separate microphone all at once. Lecture and presentation capture tend to be longer than a tutorial video and span the length of the class or presentation. As you can now realize that instructional videos go by a variety of different names. But whether you need to make a how-to video or a tutorial, the goal is the same. Unlike other forms of video, an instructional video instructs. Of course, while you don't want boring videos, your main goal is for your viewers to comprehend and learn what you are teaching them. Please click like, subscribe, and share to receive more videos from us.